Alright, look, I got this at, I don't know, Walmart. It's I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like a peace sign statue. And, we're gonna see how well this goes in a second. Post this on YouTube. Pause it, I'll be right back. Alright. Didn't take too long. I got myself a nice little, desk ornament. I'll file it down right there, put a little putty in it, spray paint it silver or gold or whatever. Nice fuck you. Huh? I think it's pretty cool. $7. Took me about, I don't know, 7-8 minutes to sew that. But, yeah. This finger wasn't doing anybody any good.